Hello, looking to simplify loan calculations and take the guesswork out of the equation? You can do that and more in just a few simple clicks using the Loan Calculator app by Market Push Apps. Our calculator delivers comprehensive insights, calculating monthly payments, total interest, and overall repayment amounts. This aids potential borrowers in making informed decisions, increasing transparency and trust in your financial services. Now let's see how to set up. First, you will need to install the Loan Calculator app from the Wix App Market. You can find the install link in the video description below. Also, this is how to add the app through Wix Studio. Head to the App Market menu and search for the Loan Calculator app. Then click Add to Site. Drag the widget to the desired section, and to make it responsive, press on the stretch button. Click on Loan Calculator Settings to customize the widget. You can customize the default amounts displayed, loan period type, and more. To configure the Contact Us button, double-click on it, and then press on Settings. You can add a link to your email, change the text, or even use an icon for the button. You can also edit any element of the widget by double-clicking on it. Here, let us change the color. You can also change the text or its font. Let's try changing the font here. Feel free to customize every element of the widget. Lastly, don't forget to save and publish your site to preserve your editing. If you found this video useful, please like or leave a comment. It helps immensely. Feel free to contact us if you need any further help. Thank you for watching.